Hey, it's Monday, and happy Monday, and welcome to OAM. Today's just going to be a preview of hopefully what you see me do in the future. Let's see, I'm way ahead on this, so I think what you just got through seeing was me taking the alternator off, and had a few little problems with that. They sent me the wrong bracket for the alternator that I wanted to put on there, you know, that chrome one, which is a really good looking one. But I was able to fix the other one. I think that's going to be your up and coming episode is you're going to be watching me fix my old alternator. On this show, I was not able, on the last show, I was not able to fix the camshaft pulley because the belt is rotted out up under, right next to the frame, the tie-in frame. Right now it's up on jack stands, so I'm going to take it down from the jack stands so it's with the wheels, and then right up here I'm going to put some tires. By the way, this is a terrible slope going down through there, and I don't have anybody helping me because, you know, I don't have any friends. I wish I had a friend, but you know how it is, you know. Anyway, so I'm going to put some tires right here to keep it from going down the hill. But I'm going to have it in gear, hopefully, in maybe fourth gear or so. And see if I can't get that motor to turn so that the belt is up at top, so that I can work on it and get it away from that frame, because there ain't no way I can get in there and work on it like it is unless I pull the frame, and that's going to be kind of difficult because the motor's sitting on it, you know. All right, let's see what we can do.
Happy Monday.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm recording this the Wednesday before before Christmas, just to give you an idea where I am in the series. Alright, so let's get this thing going. See if I can get it under there. There it is. Let's put some left over there.
look right there. This is wet. You know why? Because it has, when I took the alternator off, it's also one that screws one that goes into the pump. So when I took it out, it loosened off and then the pump started. Guess what's coming out of it? Green antifreeze. Hey man, that's a good thing. That means it's still holding the antifreeze. So I put the screw back in, the bolt back in, and now it's not. So that's good. And all you fellas, when I was showing y'all this, you know, I had lost my cap. I don't see it in there. Where's that? Y'all see it? Yep, there it is. See it right there. You remember me saying, I don't know where my cap went? Well, there it is right there. Okay, so let's pull this back. Let's let her down a little bit. Yeah. Let's get her down. That's the first time she's been on the ground in a while. I don't know about these tires. You have to see, it looks like they went back into the same place they were in. Hole, that is. They need, yeah, they're low too. Well, they are. Alright, so let's work on getting the back down. I don't know what that boat goes to. Alright, so let me get set up and I'll get back with you. Well, the crows are out. I can hear them. And this is going to be just as fun as the last time. Alright, so let's see if we can get this up under there. Get up in there with it. Grip. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and right up through there. That'll be a little more riskier, but what I got? Up, straight up, please. my warning, watch for flying tools. You need one of those signs too. Alright. Alright, it's out now. I can't see what I'm doing, so that's the biggest problem. There we go. It's 6 degrees down here, I'm burning up. Looks like my truck's taking a hike. There we go. Oh, my tires are loose. Let's see what we got going on here. This truck used to have a fix shop. What? Alright, coming down. Whew. Look at this, flat tire. Alright, come here. Alright, so we're down on the ground. Alright, so we're down on the ground. I got a flat tire. I gotta deal with that. And anyway, I gotta get that glass pack up. And let's go from there, I guess. So anyway, that's long enough for this Monday. Oh, where's over there? So that's long enough for this Monday. You know where I'm at. I'm gonna take my alternator this week, and I'm going to wire buff it, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then hopefully I'm gonna stick it back on there. I don't really know, because we got Christmas and New Year's and everything coming up. So like I said, this is Wednesday before Christmas Eve and Christmas. So again, I think I told you on the last one, but Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a good one. And I will talk to you later. You see how out of breath I am? Good. Oh, I almost forgot to say, be sweet.